This is a relatively new. This is our VS21. It is a single 21-inch hybrid horn. It's got a short straight horn and a vented section. This thing is flat down to 25 hertz, plus minus 3 dB. It hits like a pretty hard. Come with the horn loaded section, and that's never going to come across on a camera, but it will move your clothes and all that good stuff. And you can add more. This is our DV12. It's a great complement for the VS21. It is a very wide dispersion, narrow vertical coverage, long throw, 3,000 watt, 12-inch two-way. It weighs 50 pounds, and you can do what's over there, which is an invertible array of it, if we pan over. And that guy, you can stack another one on top of it, and you've got yourself a miniature line array style cabinet. You get ideal summation because the tweeters are together and the woofers are aligned, and so you get your same 120-degree horizontal dispersion with your tighter vertical dispersion, and it's adjustable for vertical coverage. So it functions very much like a line array. There's a limit of only 2 boxes. You can't just go up 10, 11, 12. That you only do 2. But from the point of view of what you're looking to do, it's scalable. So you can have a small system with 2 of these and 2 subs, and then you can make your system bigger with up to 8 subs and 4 of those and do incredibly big jobs. Now, for how big they can get, we've had customers doing events of 800, at a prom with 2 of those, not 2 pairs, but just 2 boxes, and running them with 2 double 18s per side. And this single 21 is as loud as our double 18. And it uses half the current to do it. So you can plug 2 of those 21s into a single 20 amp circuit and run them all night long. Yeah. So as far as practically speaking, these things are, up the bomb, and you've got multiple ways of stacking them. You can lie them down. They have feet on both sides. Okay. They have feet on the bottom, and they transport on a cart, an optional cart. Sure. So they don't have wheels on them, so they don't rattle. So you can stack them side by side. You can stack them on top of each other, and you'll see that another one of those would put that top just about at that height. So you flip one on top, you put the top on.
Okay, so something like this that can be flown, how would I go ahead and fly that? Is there the fly kit that kind of comes with it? Or?
The fly points are actually here, and they link together to the metal.
Right on the side there. Yeah. See that right there.
So there's a side pull anchor that goes on here, and you lift it from the side if you were going to fly it. Most of the time, they're not intended to go very high. It's a tight vertical pattern, and it's not intended to be up and aimed down because that would narrow the number of people you could catch.
Did you say a ceiling about like what we've got here? A little bit higher, maybe?
Not much, no. I wouldn't go higher than this. That up to, I'd say the bottom of the box, not more than about 7 feet off the ground, ideally.
Great. Yeah. And coverage enough for 800 students for sure.
Oh, yeah.